Overall, your resume is a 5 out of 10. Okay, yung buong resume niya is single column. And then, proceed sa second page. Let's check. Ayan, single column din. So, mababasa to ng ATS, kaya good. Okay lang na lumagpas ng one page yung resume nyo as long na marami kayong work experience. So, pag lumagpas yan ng one page, pero wala naman kayong work experience masyado, entry level pa lang kayo, you're doing something wrong. So, dapat lalagpas lang yan pag sobrang dami yung work experience gaya nito. Bali, dapat inuna niya yung work experience bago yung skills since mas mahalagang makita agad yung work experience. And then, lagi ko sinasabi sa resume reviews content natin is yung ARR framework sa paggawa ng bullets. Action, verb, responsibility, tsaka result. So, meron siyang action, verb, tsaka responsibility. Pero, halos lahat ng bullet contents niya is walang result. I notice na gumamit ka ng action, verb na hindi strong. And it shows na wala ka masyadong ginawa sa company mo kapag ganyan yung ginamit mong action verbs. I would recommend na you replace them with something like collaborated. And then also, pag napansin mo, sobrang dami mo ng bullet contents, kahit 3 to 5 bullet contents lang, pwede mong pagsama-samahin. Moving on sa second page ng resume mo. Sa education, tama na ang nilagay niya is yung highest educational attainment. So, parehas na college degree. Kaya lang, wrong spelling ka dito sa business administration mo. And then sa seminar, okay naman. Overall, your resume is a 5 out of 10. Gamit ka ng consistent na fonts, size, spacing, formatting, and then i-compress mo yung karamihan ng bullets mo into one bullet para hindi siya redundant. Ayun lang.
Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.